Alright. Hey, bud. Oh, no. To someone on an island out there, I thought up this DIY recipe while I was waiting for my oven to heat up. Why does that take so long? This seemed like a good way of passing along my recipe ideas. My recipe is yours to try now. Best wishes, Sally. I said recipe so much that I doubt it means anything anymore. Huh. Natural square table. Do tables naturally come in squares? Inquiring minds would like to know. Alright. Is your gateway to the skies, the planetarium airport. Oh, it's you, Sarah. President Nook told me you're working at Miss Lottie's place, Sarah. Exciting. Whenever you need to head over there, tell me. I want to go to work. So, Sarah, you got anything to tell me? I want to fly. Roger. Okay. Time for takeoff. Remember, I'm looking for cat villagers, so if you see one, just scream bloody murder. But, only in your heads, because you'll sound crazy if you do that. Alright, we are two down and docked at Target Island. Delta Oscar is go. Meanwhile, I'll be in a whole. Why am I reading that? Cherries again. I need tools. Get this right off the bat. Just give me the tool. I'll squawk. Cherries again, I cannot believe it.